Hello everyone, this is Lion75Y from xda-developers and ppcgeeks.com. Today we're gonna show you a small tutorial on how to use Ervius Kitchen, how to start everything, how to set it up. So I hope I can explain everything and make it useful for you guys that are having trouble setting it up. So in company with Slacker radio, we got some background music, so hope you guys don't fall asleep or get boring. So we're gonna start though. So once you guys download the actual kitchen, you guys wanna save it somewhere. Some people say that you guys need to save it in the actual C drive from your computer. I personally try it my way, I can say. So I just make a folder on the actual desktop, and then I just put all the files in there though. So basically, once you have the actual kitchen though, you're gonna have these two folders and one file. So basically we got my tools, and the actual application, which is the Ervius Kitchen. These two are really important folders. We're gonna make a small change on the actual tools folder. On the tools folder, we're gonna look for a file called kitchen build ROM. Is this one right here. So basically on that one we're gonna do a right click, and then we're gonna edit. So it should come up something like this with the notepad program. So we're gonna make a small changes up here though. The first change that we're gonna do is on this first line, which says set image start. We're gonna set it up to a 0. So that's gonna be the small first change, so the kitchen can know that it's gonna start at the actual 0 and not like 34,000 or some other number. The next thing that we're gonna change is on this line which says set mergilo. Right here it shows Kaiser. Depends on the device that you guys have. You may guys wanna change the name of it. So for example, I have the actual HTC Touch Pro 2. So in other people call it Rhodium. So I'm just gonna put Rhodium on it. I'm just gonna put the name of my device. You guys can put Kaiser, Diamond. I mean, you guys can put any name of your device up here. So that's gonna be the other change that we're gonna have. The next change that we need to do is we just scroll down a little bit. There's this line up here where it says tools, and then the next one it says if not, then it shows our error level. So right here, if you guys can please add in capital letters, we're gonna add RAM and a space. Once you guys do that, you guys may want to just close it or use file save it. I personally just click close, and then it gives me the actual warning because I made some changes, so I just click save. So once I save, we are done with the tools part. We just go back to the actual main folder. Then we're gonna tell you guys how to actually dump your actual stock ROM. So what you guys need to do is make a new folder inside the kitchen, and then call it stock. On that stock folder, we're just gonna open it. On this stock folder, we're gonna put our actual stock ROM from the actual company. You guys can download it from the actual phone's webpage, or you guys can also look up in one of our pages where someone else has the actual stock ROMs from all the devices. Or you can also look for my other video where I show how to do the upgrade to the actual 6.5. I show how to actually download the stock ROM from the actual company though. So I already have my stock ROM downloaded. I personally am using the actual Sprint ROM. So what we do with this, once you guys download it from the actual webpage and everything, is you guys do a right click, and then I actually recommend that you guys have like WinRAR or some other program to extract the files. So basically, if you guys got like WinRAR, so you just do open with WinRAR the actual stock ROM, and then you guys are gonna have like all these files though. The important one that we're gonna need is the one that says RUU sign.mbh. That's the actual one that we need. So we use like on extracted to, or we can use drag it to our stock folder. So I mean that one doesn't take very long to extract it. Then you guys can just close this one. We don't need it anymore. Once you guys have this, go back to your actual main folder where you guys got the Ervius Kitchen. Then we're gonna just dump this file that we use on separate from the actual stock ROM. I'm using the actual Windows 7, so I have to do a right click and run as administrator. You guys got like Windows XP, I believe you guys don't need to do this, just double click. But like Windows Vista and Windows 7, you guys need to do a run as administrator. So just click and just press yes, of course. Then our kitchen is gonna come up like this. So at the first time that you guys load your kitchen, you guys might have some errors like this one. That's because we don't got like this folder, we don't got that one. So with all of them, just press OK. Then it's gonna load our actual kitchen though. Up here we don't have to do any changes for right now. The only thing that we need to click is where it says dump mbh, mb or payload. So we click right there, and then it's gonna ask you like, okay, what is your actual, you know, mbh file to dump it. So you guys look for the actual folder. So like mine, I put in my desktop, and then that's why I told you guys to make the stock folder, so you guys can put the actual the mbh file up there. So you guys click it and then just open it, and then it's gonna show that it's gonna be running. This process actually takes like around 2 to 3 minutes. I mean, it's not that long. It's gonna work by itself. It's gonna give you all this. So once it's finished, we're gonna have a different folder with the kitchen and everything. So this process takes like I said, like 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, depends on your computer, you know, how fast it is and everything. But for a decent computer, it takes like around 3 minutes. So I'm just gonna post my next video where we're gonna show you how to continue with this kitchen, like then what happens after this finish, like what do you need to do and all that stuff. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment it, rate it, and I hope it helps you a lot. So please look at my other video. Thank you.